Okay, so today we're at Ralph's house. He lost his roof basically, all the galvalume. So we are putting peel and seal on there. So yeah, got the whole team here building a scaffolding.
Right here, hold it up, that end on the ground.
It's a bit steep as you can see, so it's kind of tricky getting up here. And if you step on this, because it's so hot, it ruins it, it smears. So yeah, we'll cover this all around with this peel and seal stuff. Exciting. So at the moment there's water leaking everywhere into his house, and he has buckets everywhere and just mold and stuff. So as soon as we put this stuff on, he'll be good to go. Yeah.